Let's look at the objectives for this very first section on the J2EE overview. So in this particular course, first of all, I want to talk about the evolution of the e-commerce environment, exactly what was involved in the development of the e-commerce infrastructure. Then we're going to transition into a discussion on the different types of products that we're going to be working with. We're going to talk about the role of the web browser, we're going to talk about the role of the web server, the application server, and basically how they all work together. Then we want to talk about Microsoft's .NET framework and the Sun's J2EE framework. We want to compare and contrast these two different development realms for building web-based applications. Then we're going to look at the role of the application server. The new aspect of the J2EE environment is the role of the application server and the way it works with our web-based applications. Then we want to talk about the role of the HTTP or the web server and talk about how its role has changed as the e-commerce world has evolved. Then we want to go into a discussion of some of the different types of J2EE APIs. The API framework is basically composed of a variety of different types of interfaces. We're going to talk about messaging services with JMS. We're going to talk about the Java names directory with JNDI, the transaction capability of JTA, and the database aspects of JDBC. Once we're done with that, we're going to look at the application deployment aspects and the packaging of our deployment files into the application server itself.